Hello, this is Jake and welcome back to my automotive channel. Today I'm sharing a new addition to my family, to my automotive family. It's not my vehicle, however I will be using it in the near future. And yeah, without further ado, here it is. So yes, we got a T4 in the family again. We haven't had one for a while, but my mum and dad do like their holidays and they've decided to buy another. And here it is. It's on camera it looks blue and white, but it's actually green. It's a nice green colour. I do like it. Half and half and then white top. Very nice. Now we will be putting decals on this and everything. There's actually been decals on here before. If you can see that faded, so I don't know. Well, we will clean it up and put some new ones on anyway. But yeah, there you go. That is the new T4. We're going to take a good look around it today, show you some of the features and some of the things we're going to do to it. Some nice alloys on this one. If anyone knows what kind of alloys these are, then please do let me know. We've been searching for 2 nights straight because we want to find the caps to go in the middle. So if anyone knows what these alloys are off, then please do comment below. We don't think they're original. Well, they don't look original anyway. So yeah, if you know about that, please do comment. But there it is. It is the colour suits it really well. I do like the half and half. I think this is only the second half and half T4 we've had. Interior is very nice. We got the black leather seats, which is an upgrade. I'm not too fussed on the grey door panels and grey dash, but never mind. Steering wheel, it's very good. There's a CD player to go in now. We actually have that down here. That's obviously a bit of a custom job there, but I think the plan is we are really going to do this one out, so I'm really looking forward to bringing you the content on that. So let's take a look inside a bit quick, just to show you what we are dealing with. Yeah, like I said, there's nothing special inside. But that is the bed. Now, obviously, this is all got to be done out. We're going to have some units in here. You know, your basic stuff. Maybe a sink. I'm not too sure how we're going to do it yet, but it's all going to be done. My friend is going to be helping with the wiring. Because we want it all lit up very nice inside. I think they want to go to an Hawaii theme, which I'm okay with that. I think the Hawaii theme will suit us very nicely. It's all carpeted out, which is nice. The window there, which is a bonus. Back door needs doing, obviously. You got the curtains on though. But yeah, it's really nice, and this wood paneling is nice here too. You can see that on the other side. But what'll happen is we will get the units and everything. This bed will go, and it'll probably be a rock and roll bed where it can fold over, but you can sit down at the same time. But you know, it suits it well. And these are, I believe these are captain seats, so they swivel as well. I'm not 100% sure on that. You know me, we are going to do the seat belts. I think the interior inside, and outside, is we're going a bit orange. So we're going to do, even though it's white and green, we're going to do the orange mirrors, orange seat belts, other little orange things like the orange badge. Don't like them blacked out, never liked the blacked out badges before. We also put this on last night, which is quite nice, and again it's got a bit of an orange decal on here, which is very cool. We'll do something with the lights, LEDs. We want to clean the bumpers up, you know, do a lot of work on this. I haven't even washed it yet. It's so dirty, like you can tell the dust on the windows. but it should be a fun project. I'm really looking forward to doing some work on this. Yes, we probably will end up putting an exhaust on it, not to make it loud, just fix the exhaust, to be honest. Bits of rust like this, nothing too serious. Again, it's a bit of a project as well, but as long as they can go camping, or I can go camping in it, I can't see what's really worth doing apart from the interior. I mean, that's all we need to focus on really, but there are a few cosmetic bits that do need sorting. And like I said, we'll do the seat belts as well. I'm not a T4 fan, so I've never really been into these kind of things. I do want to do a camper one day, but like a smaller camper using something small like a Suzuki Samba or something, a Subaru Samba, sorry. But floor's done, and I think this will be a great project for the channel. So I will be bringing you updates on it, content, how-tos, and all of that kind of stuff. But yeah, there you go. That's the inside. Well, there we go. That is the new Volkswagen T4 van. I've actually come in shade now. It's got very hot really fast. But yeah, if you want to see more content on that T4, then please do like and subscribe to the channel. Like I said, I will be doing some how-to videos, especially showing you the electrics, how to wire stuff up, because that's something that I'm going to be taught at the same time by my friend. So that'd be very cool to show you how to hook up like the lights and other electronics that you want inside the camper. But yeah, there it is. Let me know what you think. If you know anything about the alloy wheels, please do comment, because we're trying to figure that out now. But yeah, I got much more coming very soon on the T4, plus my other vehicles in the family. So yeah, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.